Okay, Miles, so paper one performance so far, you went from 40 in the first one to 72 last time, so it was a massive improvement. Let's see how you get on this time. So that's a good start. So you get 10 marks there. 3 into 20 is 5. No, it isn't. But 3 is a method that you showed you've rounded up. So for rounding to 3, you're going to get the method mark, but 5 is wrong, it's 6. 6 threes are 18. That's good. 339, good. Even, certain, no. Yeah, either rains or it doesn't in any given day, but over all of March you're going to say it's pretty likely it will have rained. So what they're looking for there is likely, which is what you've got but crossed out. So I'll give you the benefit of the doubt that that is what you stuck with. 10, 11, 18 for the page. Good. Good start. Quarter 28.3. Excellent. That's right. That's right. 8 for the page. Right. 12 is wrong. Exactly 2 goals. If you look, exactly 2 is 8, not 12. Sorry, 6. No, hang on. 9, 12, 6, 8, 5. That should be a 6. I'm not sure what you got there, so you're going to lose a mark there now. So that drops you down to 7 for the page. Right, you're going to lose a mark here because you haven't labelled your axes. So you've got nothing there because there is no higher to lower. Why is there no higher to lower? Okay, you need to say that that stands for any number of goals bigger than 3. So that's a little bit too vague, and here you're going to lose a mark because you haven't labelled your axes. 32 is correct, and you've got the units there, so well done there. 7 for the page. So you've got a different method here. So let's have a look at your method. 30 times 50, 9 times 50 is not 4.5 because these are pounds, so that should be 450. And then you've got 30 times 6 is 180, and 9 times 6 is 54. So there's your mistake. That's going to mess that up. So you're going to have 1 mark for the method, then you're going to lose a mark because you got the answer wrong. That's 12. 12 is 144. With this one, that is correct, but you need to tell me what your answer is. Okay, you need to make sure that that is clearly your answer. Okay, it's embedded in your workings there, which means you're not showing definitely that that's what your answer is. That's right, that's right, that's right. 6 for the page. Well done, that's really good. These are wrong. That's 12x, so I'm not sure where you got 11. 5 and 3 is 8, and 4 is 12, and 7 take away 1 is 6. So you've thrown 2 marks there. Here, that's correct. It's not 4 out of 20, there are 3 out of 20. That is right for your wrong answer. So you get that mark, 8 for the page. 5 out of 20 is correct. Take a look at my solution for that. We will be practicing those. 132 is wrong. That's correct. But then you've got to do 132 divided by 2 to go in there, and then take that away from 180. And 15 is right there for the page. That's right, well done. And so is that, really well done. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's right, but it's in the wrong place. Because you've got to do it with a centre of enlargement, you've got to measure the centre, the distance of the original from the centre. So it's across 2 and down 1. So you've got to start the other one now twice as far. So it's going to be across 4 and down 2. So that point there needs to be there. 6 for the page. It's flipped and has moved over 6 squares. Flipped, I'm looking for reflected. To get the word reflected, you would get a point. That's wrong. And then you would need to say where the mirror is that's reflected it. And the mirror would have to be along that dotted line there. And in maths, that's known as the line x equals 1, because it's always got an x coordinate of 1. So to get the 2 marks, you would have said reflected in the line x equals 1. Well done, good stuff. 5 marks there. 610 divided by 0.2. 600 divided by 0.2 is probably more realistic. Then you would you times both numbers by 10 to get rid of the decimal underneath. So you'd have 6,000 divided by 2, which is 3,000. 7x, take away 28, so you get a mark for that. And then you've lost your equal sign from there, so it all goes wrong from there. Next line should be 7x, take away 3x equals, and then you've got the 28, which is negative, so that will become positive on the other side. And from there you get your answer. So 1R isn't 10 there either, so that's quite a tricky page, but then as the last one on the paper, what you'd expect. So last time, Myles, what did I say? 72. Well, you've done pretty well, but I don't think you've done that well this time. 18, 25, 32, 38, 46, 50, 56, 61, 62. So 62 could get you a C, but it won't guarantee you a C. I'm going to say that's a D, and I'm going to say that that's 3 marks off a grade C. If you go back in there, you'll easily find those 3 marks. That's still encouraging, not as good as last time, but still pretty strong.